Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Oh, those are gone forever. Blooper moment. I have these few items here that I want to light because you guys have been without a video for almost a year now, so let's go. Well, since these want to be lit already, we'll just go ahead and start with these. This is a smoke ball. I believe it's white. It is a bit breezy out. Alright, here goes a yellow one. Ooh. Pretty neat. Here goes a blue and a purple on at the same time. The purple will be white. Alright, if you guys suffer from epilepsy, you guys are gonna want to watch your eyes because this one's really bright and it flashes. This is called a super annoying. Watch your eyes. Oh, that was a fail. Try that again. There it goes. How's it going? Okay, so epileptic warning. I'm gonna light 5 super annoyings at the same time. These are very similar to strobe pots, as you call them. Oh. Try to keep the contrast down. It'll just end up resetting itself though. Oh, there was a pink one there. The other one went out. Nope, there it goes, it's relit. See if I can't get this green one lit. It's not gonna go. Alright, this is a ground boom flower. These things are pretty, these are pretty typical in firework assortments. They just spin around on the ground at high speeds. Alright, last one for the night is going to be this mini pyramid. Just a neat little thing.